And inside the car, we have two properties. One is the brand, and the other is the price. Now we are going to create a constructor and also get the brand and the price. Now we go to the job and we create the role, the pirate, the string, and then we also create another properties, which is salary. And now we are going to create a constructor, and then we get the role and also get the salary. Now we are going to create a person which have the job and also the car. So now we are going to add the property of job and also the car. And he also has the name, so we create the name. And then now we are going to create a constructor. And he also has the function of greeting. And now we have to put back inside the curly bracket. And then hello, my name is, and then plus this dot name. I am a job.getRole to get his title. Now we can also add a function to get his job name and also car. Now we're back to the main.java. And then now we are going to create a job. And his salary is 3,000 per month. And he also has a car, which is, the brand name is Porsche, and also the price is 60,000. And then we also create a person by using this constructor, and then we pass his name is Alan. And now we can get his thing very easily by using, for example, he can also greeting by using Alan.greeting. Now we can try to run the program, and you can see it has hello, my name is Alan and I'm a programmer. And actually we can get his car branding and also his job title by using alan.getCar.getBrand. So he get a Porsche here. And then we also can get his job title by using getJob and then .getRole. Now we get the Porsche and also the programmer. So this is how to work with compositions.